What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow snipping tool issue that you may be facing. So let's get right into this. So if your snipping tool is basically lagging or having issues on certain features or tools of its functionalities, I should say, there's a quick and easy way to fix this. You want to go to your search bar and you want to type in basically program until, if I can spell it right, program until you see add or remove program pop up. In here, just type in the word snip, basically snipping tool, but I'm going to write snip just to show you something as an example. Yours might look like mine, where the modify is grayed out, but uninstall is available. So for you, if it looks like this, you're going to want to press the uninstall button to basically uninstall this and then reinstall the program, which will then fix your issue. If not, yours might look similar to this, where you can either press the modify button or have an advanced option button. And if you have this, you want to do terminate, which is going to terminate the app, and then reset, which is going to make sure the app's data is basically essentially going to reinstall the app for you. So basically you want to go down that route and go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please smash the like, guys and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then more tutorials out. Peace.